How to log into your Wealthfront account step by step. So in here, make sure that you have installed the application. Then you can simply open it, and after opening the application, make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your Wealthfront account, right? You can simply tap on login right here. We'll get into login page where all you need to do is add in your email address, then the password of your account. Then you can simply tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your Wealthfront account. So in here, in case if you have forgotten your password somehow, you can actually tap on the option forgot password right here, and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover your password. So add in your email address, then tap on submit, and then you can go along with the process of how you will be able to recover the password of your ID. Then you can come back after like resetting your password. You can come back to your login page, add in your email address and your new password, then tap on login, and just like that you will be able to log into your Wealthfront account. So if you guys do have any further any further questions, then please let me know in the comment section down below.